Hello foodies, welcome to Lucky Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and instant dosas without soaking rice and urad dal overnight. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to show you by the way of using wheat flour. It is really easy. You can make it in just 10 minutes. Let's see how to make the batter. Take a bowl and 2 cups of wheat flour. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it. Add water little and mix. And again do the same. Continue doing the same thing. Add water and mix slowly till the batter is lump free. It means there should not be any lumps in the batter. Mix it with a whisker until we get the nice and soft consistency. Whenever you mix something in a bowl, it shakes. So for that, keep a cloth or tissue paper under the bowl and start mixing so that it helps you not to shake. You can also mix it with the help of blender or mixer. Mix it until you get the consistency of dosa batter. Look at the consistency. We got the same consistency as we get for dosa batter. Add half teaspoon of baking soda and mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Take a non-stick pan, add little oil, rub it with the help of tissue or the cloth. Now take the batter, spread it as you do for the dosas. Keep it on medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add oil. Fold the dosa. See how we got the nice crispiness. Yeah, it's done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment. Do subscribe.